So yeah. So hi guys and teachers. So my name is Andrea Victor Hernandez. This is my last video about this semester. For that reason I feel boring, but doesn't matter. Remember, we need to continue to improve our English. We need to continue to work together. Well, that's the song that you choose was "Living on a Jacket Brain." Yeah, yeah. Uh, First of all, the song was very beautiful. It was very pretty. But I want to say that I have never heard it before because I consider me like a person that like rap, pop, all that kind of music. But when I heard that song for the first time, I feel great. That's the reason that I choose the song. Well, what was the my song analysis or what is the thing I want to explain in this song is simply that for reason of life. He will go and he leaves the girl that he loves so much. That's when he say, I am inside your door. I had to say goodbye. I went through the same situation. That is that is why I understand to the singer because 2 years ago I had my ex-boyfriend. It it was a difficult situation because I say him I need to go to the other city. It was very hard. It was very hard. But I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk a lot because I want to cry. But it's okay. That doesn't matter. And he's talked about many situations that were happening to him before say goodbye to her. And the intention that he did that was so that his line of his life would wait for him when he returned, and then he would give her a kiss to remember why he's not going to be with her. That was a very very part about that song. It's a song that can you also be understand the other way, like when a person is going to die, the person wants to say goodbye to the love of his or her life because it was part of the song he say hug me because I don't know when I will back again. And that was the part that in felt emotion because 2 years ago I lost my aunt. I understand the situation because my aunt was very good person. So doesn't matter. I want to cry. Uh, my intention about this video is that you enjoy when you help me. Thank you very much, my classmate, my teacher. Uh, Thank you, my dear classmate, for everything we did in this course. Remember, we need to continue to practice our English. We need to improve our English. We need to work hard together. Okay, don't worry. I know you can speak English. Just we need to practice more. Okay, and teacher, thank you very much. God willing, your life and God willing your family. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Over here.